Guys, as a boss gamer here, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be doing another building episode on our world, and I know we haven't done this for a long time. So, we're gonna go into it because it's a long build today, and don't forget to subscribe. So, today, let me just say hi to Emerald. Heyo. And then I will go to my subscriber wall. So, the first one is load. Wait, I'll just do the. I forgot, I'm a bit creative. Okay, guys, I got it fixed. So yep, it's Noah for today. He subscribed to me. This is actually his house. He's the lemon guy. If you can't remember, go watch the video if you haven't seen it already. And today we are going to be building a fidget spinner. So I think we should start like here, I guess. Right, so I'm gonna do I did a fidget spinner video, my last video, go check it out if you haven't. I'm gonna be doing this one. So I'm gonna be doing it like this. Like this. So the blue at the bottom, so I need to have lapis. So lapis, I go here, yeah, you get to use this one, and also, where is redstone block? Redstone block. Okay then. First thing you want to do for this is you probably want to do this. You go like this, go like this. Dokie. So that's what you probably want to do first one, and then just go up. And then what I need to do is I need to get black concrete. I'm going there, and if I go here, just use coal. Looks like the best thing to use. I don't have to really do a circle, I'll just do it. Actually, I'll go like this. Just instead of doing this, there, and no. Okay, and then break this. Okay, so firstly I think you want to do this and then fill this in. And so that's like the circle right there. If I go down back here, if I fill this in, I put that up there first so I know where I can build up to. So been through that kind of stuff I have, trust me. This one and this one. So yeah, that's actually very good. Now I will do the emerald. So emerald one, wait, I might have to. Boom. Boom. I might have to do that. I'm just gonna have to because, yeah. So, how much is 1, 2, 5? 2, 3, 4. One second, let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so it's definitely 5. Right, this needs to be way bigger. I might need to do a part 2 of this, so that's that. Right, so how big is the gap? 3. So if I go like this, okay, so that means I have to do it here. Let me just check. Yeah, I think it's 4 actually, so I'm just gonna put it doesn't really matter, I'll just do it like this. So now what I want to do is I'm gonna go like this. I think that's how you do it. Not quite sure. Okay. Now right, so if I go like this, yes, I'll just fill it all. I'll just fill it all in like that. So like that. So, and then I've done that one, and now I'm going to do this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I think you go like this, that, and then you just fill it in. So it's pretty easy, this one. So yeah, I guess that's a fidget spinner. Let me just try and make this like a real one. Okay, no, maybe not that. I'll have one of those. Actually, no, I'll just get rid of those. And I'll just get rid of that one. Boom. 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 Oh, boom. Boom. Yeah, I guess that's pretty good. So yeah, I'll just add like that little bit to it. So I need grey wool. Light grey wool. just need to go like this. And this, this. Okay, and then I need to do it on the other side as well. So I'll go like this way. So what was it? So it was like 1, 2, 3. So now it's okay. Boom, 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 boom. There. So that is pretty much the fidget spinner. Let me just go like this, and then I'll add in that very cool little light thing. Lime stained glass. And red. This one. Duck. And then this one. Oh yeah, I forgot I still have my wings. So I go. So 2 in. Actually, no, I think I need to. Bam, bam. Wait, no, it's not this one. This one. And boom, boom, boom. And then I need to do it up here. So why did I right click? Boom, boom. Did I add the other bit on the other side? Yeah. I'm just gonna break that. Go on here and put it there. Get rid of all these. And I'll end the episode right here. So if you have enjoyed, please do remember to leave a like, hit that subscribe bell, and hit the bell, and then so you don't get any notifications, so you get every single notification by me to be the first one to see a video. Also do it with your emerald fist, and as always, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.